Hi there, I wanted to show you how to use the website called Smore, and this may look familiar because I created some of your resources in it. This is a nice, easy tool for you if you're planning to load especially different websites, but you can load lots of other media as well. So you just go to www.smore.com and click on Try Smore Now. It's free, and it'll have you put in an email address, first name, last name, and a password. Okay, so now that I'm logged into my account, I can click on Start a New Flyer. And it's going to give me lots of different options, whether I want to do for an event, a business, something for sale, a news bulletin, class, or other. I usually choose other. You can choose class if you want to, but I'll just show you what other looks like if you want to start kind of from a blank page. And just let's click here to edit title. So whatever your product title is, if you're just doing something on wrongful convictions, maybe you'll have a flashier title than that. You could put your group number, you could put your names there, you could put any kind of subtitle you want. And it's going to just automatically default to a certain setting as far as background and colors. But over here you'll notice you can change the way it looks. They've got handwritten, minimal, modern, stars and stripes, vintage. They've got a few different options for the typeset, the way you want it to look. Okay, you've also got options for the background. Okay, so if you pay more for another pro account, you could have something fancier there, but you can just choose from their backgrounds. You can choose the color scheme you want, and it'll show you automatically when you hover over it how the colors will look. And you can change the font as well. And again, when you hover, it changes. So you can edit your title and put a little description, maybe about what your group did. You can add as much text as you want. You can click on text box. You can give it a title. You don't have to. And you can type text in. It will allow you to copy and paste from somewhere else. Okay. You can add pictures. Maybe they're pictures that you've taken. Maybe they are pictures that you've gotten online and you have properly cited on your works cited page. You probably won't be adding events. You might add audio if you choose to do a podcast. You will likely embed links, especially if you make a video and load it to YouTube, or if you just want to share a video that you found that's relevant to your case. It's very easy to click on embed link. You just either type it in or copy and paste it in and click on the word embed. You might want to upload a form. If you want to give a survey to the class, you could do a Google form. You can change your titles to make them bigger, different typesets. You could make a gallery of several pictures and add little titles and descriptions for those. You could add a video that you've made that you want to embed. It's all very simple to use. Once you click on adding a photo, you can just drag it in from your computer. Okay, it's very easy to edit. You'll notice when you hover over things, you click on edit. Okay, very simple. It saves everything automatically. You'll notice up here, save just now. You don't have to go up anywhere and click on save, which is amazing. So if something were to happen, you're not really going to lose your work, which is a huge relief. Anytime you want to edit things, let's say I want to embed a link, if I'm just going to put the school's website, put that one there as an example. So I wanted to put the Innocence Project. Probably not the right site. It is. Yay. Anyway, you see how easy it is to just put your links on there. And anything that you want to change, if you want to reorder things, you can literally just click and drag it up and drop it in to move the location. Very, very user-friendly, very, very intuitive. It is somewhat limited because you're not paying for a pro version. As far as your backgrounds and your colors and your fonts, you may not have all the options you want, but you really can load a lot onto this. So it's really, like I said, very, very easy to use, very user-friendly, and ends up looking very nice. I did one for my class on Instagram, and you can see just with very little training and very little time on my own learning how to use it. You can see where I put in text with a picture there, some text, and then a lot of different websites I loaded, websites and videos. Here I've got little pictures, and these are all done in a gallery with those little subheadings underneath. It's one of the nice ones because it doesn't take that long to learn to use it. You can focus most of your time on creating a quality project without having to spend a whole lot of time learning how to use the site itself.